I am Marie Brown, and this is my channel, Minds in Motion, where we talk about personal finances, investing, and how to become the best version of yourself. Today, we are going to be doing our weekly SoFi Invest fractional share portfolio review. In this portfolio, I mostly invest in growth stocks and passive ETFs. And while going over the portfolio, today I want to go over 3 particular Vanguard ETFs that I am investing in for those of you who are looking for some passive investing products, as well as I want to show you guys how easy it is to buy fractional shares here on SoFi Invest. If you follow the channel, you know that I am also a dividend investor, and I invest in dividend growth stocks in the Webull trading app. And if you guys are interested in getting 2 free stocks and supporting the channel by using my link in the description below and funding your account with any amount, we will both again get 2 free stocks with the Webull trading app. Before we jump into the portfolio, if you haven't yet, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. For those of you who are already subscribed to the channel, make sure that you turn on the bell notification so you're alerted when I post videos like this. And if you've done both of those, then be sure to go ahead and hit that like button and also leave a comment below because it does help with the YouTube algorithm. Let's go ahead and look at the portfolio. So looking at the portfolio, as you can see, I have contributed $800 in this portfolio. My current portfolio value is $903.90. I am down $3.78 today. My market gains is $99.05. Dividends paid since existence of this portfolio is $4.85 for a total gain of $103.90, and I am up 13.15%, which is my return on investment in this portfolio. So now let's look at some of my top holdings. As you can see, I have Apple here. It's currently trading at $320. My total equity is $65.02. I am up $13.02 or 25.4%. And we're going to probably just look at my top 10 holdings. Next is the ETF BND. It is a monthly paying dividend ETF. It is currently trading at $85.59. My total equity is $60.93. I am up 93 cents or 1.55%. Next is Tesla, everybody's favorite stock. It is currently trading at $899.41. I am at an equity of $70.88. I am up $35.89, or I have doubled my investment in Tesla, which is 102.57%. Next is the ETF VU. My total equity is $46.72. I am up $4.72 or 11.24%. It is currently trading at $309.70. Next is Amazon. I am at an equity of $36.04. I am up $5.18 or 16.79%. It is currently trading at $2,153.10. And then we also have IIRP. I am up $4.23 or an equity of $32.23. I am up 15.11%. It is currently trading at 107. Next, we have JP Morgan Chase. I am up $3.07. It is currently trading at $137.49. I have an equity of $26.07, up 13.35%. We also have Costco's. It is currently trading at $324.08. My equity is $23.40. I am up $2.40 or 11.43%. We also have AbbVie. I am up 21%. It is trading at $94.23. I have an equity of $24.20. I am up $4.20. Next, we have MasterCard. It is currently trading at $344.45. I am up $4.32 for a 25.41% gain and an equity of $21.32. And I'll just scroll through the portfolio so that you guys can see the other holdings that I have in this portfolio. Even though I do have dividend stocks, my main focus in this portfolio is growth investing. That's why you're going to see at the top is where you're going to see my largest holdings, which are all growth stocks. The only growth stock that I have that pays a dividend really is Apple. Microsoft, Visa can also be considered growth stocks, but they also pay a dividend. But I do own companies like Amazon, Berkshire B, Facebook, Google. As you can see here, I just started a position in Google. Also, Netflix, Facebook, my position is still small. Netflix, Tesla, all of those companies are considered growth stocks. Investors invest in them mainly for the growth, and the way that you earn money is you sell those companies at a profit, and you take the profits on the shares. So that is the portfolio. And now we'll look at the ETFs and talk a little bit about passive investing. So today is February 20th, 2020, and I am recording this video after the market. We're going to be looking at some passive investing products, which are ETFs or exchange traded funds. The first ETF that we're going to look at today is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, ticker symbol VOO. It is currently trading today at $309.63, down $1.22. And if we look at the 1-year trend, as you can see, this ETF has been growing over a 1-year period. And again, if we look at it over a 5-year period, because hopefully for all my new investors or those of you who have been investing for a long time, you believe in the buy and hold strategy. You believe in consistently investing in the stock market for the long run. And again, with SoFi Invest, we are investing in fractional shares, which means that you want to be consistent in how much money you're putting in, but you can invest any amount of money that you want into these ETFs. So you don't have to invest $309 at one time. You can invest $30 every week or $10 a day into this particular ETF. So the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF VOO tracks a market cap weighted index of U.S. large and mid cap stocks selected by the S&P committee. I am currently already investing in this. I have $46.71 in equity. My average cost is $278.42. I have a $4.71 unrealized gain, or a return of 11.21%. Now, if we jump down a little further, you're going to see that the 52-week high is the 52-week high is $311.59. The 52-week low is $250.34. It has an expense ratio of 0.03%. And what that means is if you invested $10,000, you would basically pay a $3 expense ratio for them managing and creating this fund for you. Currently it has a market cap of $294.2 billion. It has a dividend yield of 1.84%. And if we look a little further down, I'm sure that you guys are familiar by now that an ETF is basically a basket of stocks. So if you're looking to get in the stock market, but you're not looking to have to worry about the risk of investing in individual stocks, you can eliminate some of the risks of investing by investing in a ETF. And one of the best products to start with is a total stock market ETF such as VOO, which is what I'm going over with you today. So the top 10 holdings are Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Google, C-Class, Alphabet, Google, A-Class, Berkshire Hathaway, B, also JP Morgan Chase, Johnson & Johnson, as well as Visa. So these are all stocks that you can invest in individually, but rather than you worrying about when you should buy these positions, you can just invest in a ETF at the Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF, ticker symbol BND. As you can see, it's currently trading at $85.59. It is up 21 cents today. And over the past year, as you can see, this stock, or excuse me, ETF has also been trending up. It's up about 7.24%, which is good because they tell you that generally you will get an 8% return in the stock market each year. That's your average rate of return. And then over a 5-year period, as you can see, it's kind of trading sideways. There is not much growth in this stock or ETF, excuse me, but this is mainly for you to kind of preserve your wealth in the stock market, so to say. The good thing about this ETF is it does pay a monthly dividend. And before we get into that, let's just look at the description. It says the Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF is an exchange traded fund incorporated in the U.S. The fund seeks to track the performance of the Bloomberg Barclays Capital Aggregated Bond Index, which measures a wide spectrum of public investment grade taxable fixed income securities. So it says right here, consider the investment objectives, risks, and charges and expenses of this investment company carefully before investing. And of course, we should be doing that with any investment that we make in the stock market. So total, I have a equity of $60.93 in this ETF. My average cost is $84.28. My return is 1.55%. I am up 93%. The ETF 52-week low is $79.39. The 52-week high is about $85.59, which is where it's currently been trading for quite some time now. The expense ratio is 0.035%. Again, which just means if you had $10,000 in this ETF, you're going to pay an expense ratio of $3.50. Vanguard ETF that we're going to look at is the Vanguard Developing Market ETF, ticker symbol VEA. As you can see, it's currently trading at $43.52. It is down 32 cents. If we look at the 1-year trend, as you can see, again, this stock or ETF is trending up in the right direction. Over the past year, it has a 7.04% return. And then if we look at the 5-year, it's kind of trading sideways, but it does have a 7.43% return as well. To look at the description of this ETF, it invests in stocks of all sizes issued by companies located in developed markets other than the U.S., such as Europe and Japan. So this is one of the newer ETFs that I just started investing in. And the reason that I wanted to invest in this particular ETF is to get a little bit of exposure outside of the U.S. And as you can see here, the 52-week low is $38.79. The 52-week high is $44.67. It has an expense ratio of 0.05%. Again, meaning if we invest $10,000 in this ETF, we will pay a $5 expense ratio. It has one of the highest dividend yields out of the 3 ETFs that I showed you at 4.04%. It has a market cap of $58.3 billion. And if we look at the top 10 holdings, you can see number 1, the biggest holding is Nestle. Next is Roche Holding. Also, we have Samsung Electric, Novartis. I hope I'm saying that right. Toyota Motor Company. The next thing that we're going to do is I want to show you guys how simple it is to buy ETFs here on the SoFi trading app. So we're just going to go right here to search. And I'm going to start with the first ETF that I showed you guys, ticker symbol VOO. And as you can see, it shows up right here. So I'm going to click on it. And then you guys see right here at the bottom of the screen, it says buy or sell. I'm going to click buy. And again, we're investing in fractional shares, so it gives you the option to buy a specific dollar amount or a number of shares. If you look at the top right, you're going to see that I have a buying power currently of $10.02. So again, since I'm going to be investing a majority of my money into VOO, I am going to go ahead and buy $6 worth of VOO. It says review. I click review. Then it's going to go to let me know I'm purchasing $6 of VOO. Currently the stock market is closed, so when the stock market opens, then it will execute this purchase. What I've learned about investing with SoFi is they usually make their purchases between about 3:15 and 3:45 in the afternoon. And then I'm going to hit place order, and then it tells you your order is scheduled.
The next ETF that we're going to purchase is VNV, which is our Vanguard Total Bond ETF. We'll click on that. And just like we did with the last ETF, we'll click buy. And we have $4 left, so we're going to be investing $2 into BNV. Hit review. Again, place order. And we've just made an order to purchase BNV when the next trading window happens.
And our last purchase will be VEA, which is the Vanguard Developed Market ETF. And we're going to buy. We have $2 left. $2. Review. Place order. And we're all set. Just that easy.